I finally got my hands on TickCash, the app that promises you can earn real money just by watching short TikTok-style videos. It sounds like the dream side hustle, right? You scroll through entertaining content and get paid for your time. But before you even think about linking your PayPal or sharing any personal data, you absolutely need to hear the full story. Let's break it down. On the surface, TickCash positions itself as an entertainment and rewards platform. The interface is clean and straightforward. You download it, and it immediately feels like a legitimate rewards app. You earn coins or points by watching videos and completing simple tasks. Some users online even report receiving small, consistent payouts if you're willing to grind relentlessly for hours on end. The videos themselves can be entertaining, which is the main draw of these short-form content apps. However, this is where the major red flags start appearing, and they are significant. The most consistent and alarming complaint from users is what many are calling a classic scam tactic. Countless reviews describe hitting the required payout threshold, say $10 worth of points only, to be blocked from withdrawing. The app then displays an error like insufficient balance, despite them having clearly met the goal. This cycle often repeats, trapping you in a loop of watching more ads and videos without ever getting paid. Beyond that core deception, the earning potential is insultingly low. You're talking about making literal pennies per hour of your time, a rate that's completely unrealistic as any form of side income. So, to the big question, should you link your PayPal and dive into TickCash? My verdict is a resounding skip it. This app appears fundamentally designed to profit from your attention, serve you an immense number of ads, and potentially harvest your data, not to provide a legitimate or fair way to earn money. The risk of wasted time and frustration far outweighs the minuscule chance of getting a few dollars out. Your time is valuable. Don't waste it here. If you've had a different experience with TickCash, let me know in the comments. For more honest app reviews that help you avoid scams, make sure to subscribe.